Are you ready for today's challenge? Go ahead, gather your supplies, and meet me at the art table. So today I decided to treat myself with a nice, yummy, juicy ice cream. Yes, it was such a hot day, so I got my favorite flavors: vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. It was so delicious that I now feel like painting my ice cream. So come, paint an ice cream with me, and you can pick your own flavors. Okay, I have here my supplies. I have my primary colors, blue, yellow, and red, and then black and white. My paper or canvas, paper towel, cup with water. I have my brushes, a flat brush and a round brush, and a pencil. Let's get started. What I'm going to start first, I'm going to make an let's make a triangle right here. So a triangle has 3 sides. All the way up here in the middle, but all the way on top, make a little dot, and I want you to actually make another dot here and then another dot here. So now we have 3 dots, and now I want you to connect those dots. That's it, just a triangle. That's it. Now what we're going to do is turn around. There you go. This is your cone, the cone for your ice cream. And then now make a little bit of a circle, another circle, and another circle. So 3 circles, they don't have to be perfect. Just a little circle. They can be flat, whatever. Now we're going to start painting. That's all we need to draw. Get your big brush. I'm gonna get blue. And I'm gonna make my background blue. I'm gonna go up and down with my strokes. I'll get blue and then probably a little bit of white. And I'm gonna mix the blue and white as I go along up and down. Just keep moving your brush up and down. That's it. Make sure you paint the edges. Mix blue and white together. Mix them, blend them on your paper or on your canvas. I don't want you to mix them before you put them on the canvas, because I like the effect of when they blend together. How they blend together, it will create like some strikes, and I kind of like that effect. Makes it really cool. So just go up and down. Up and down, blue and white. And if you go over the drawing, it's okay. You'll still be able to see most of it. At least you know where it is. Paint up and down. Some white, some blue. Just have fun with it. Just keep painting up and down. Up and down. Try to cover the whole area before you are finished. There you go. I like what I see. Very good. I'm done with my background. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make brown, because the ice cream cone is brown. So for that, I need my primary colors all mixed together. A little bit of blue, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of red. Put them all together and you'll make brown. Now this brown is pretty dark, so I'm going to add a little bit of white to it. So it's more of a light brown, and it will match my ice cream cone. Just gonna make it just a tiny bit darker. There you go. I like this. If you have your brown, if you're able to mix the colors, now go on the triangle that you made and paint it inside. I recommend you maybe like outlining it first. Outline it. You'll be able to see it better, and then color it in. Try not to get outside the triangle. Now add just a little bit of white to it, some like little streaks. Not much, just I added some yellow on mine too. Just some streaks, not very light. I added some yellow and white, and then you make some streaks going up and down on that cone. Some blue is coming off my brush. Okay. Just trying to balance out that blue. Okay, I think I'm happy now. Still coming from my brush. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I'm going to actually clean off your brush. Now it's time for you to decide what flavors you want to have in your ice cream. What flavors you want. Like I said, I really like the vanilla and strawberry and chocolate. So I may just stick to those, but you can have any flavor you like. So I'm gonna start with vanilla. So vanilla is white and a little bit of yellow. And I'll start right over here. The big one is going to be vanilla. White and yellow. So pretty much fill in that first circle. It's not really a perfect circle. You know, ice cream scoops are not always perfect. Sometimes they come out perfect, but not always. And because mine seems to be starting to melt, it's overlapping the cone. See? And what I'm going to do is actually make it really drippy. I need to eat this ice cream fast because it's going to drip. I'm gonna add a little drip here. And with the smaller brush, I'm gonna get that color. I'm gonna add a little bit. It's actually gonna fall on the ground. Just a drop. A little teardrop, but it's an ice cream drop. Right here. Good, good, good. I'm going to clean the big brush. Because now I'm going to make the strawberry. Strawberry's red, but I'm going to add a little white to it so it's not super red. It's going to be more pink. You know how strawberry ice cream is. It's not super red, it's more of a pink. So I'll make it on top of the vanilla, a little round scoop. Doesn't have to be super round, like I said, because it's melting. Could have little curves. Almost looks like a a cloud. Think about it. Yeah, have curves, have little curves to it. Okay, so far so good. And it needs to be a little bit smaller than the vanilla ice cream. It can't be the same size, otherwise it's going to collapse. Okay, clean my brush now because now I'm going to make chocolate. And I'm going to make my brown again, but this time it's going to be a little bit darker than the cone. So I'll get blue, yellow, and red. I'm curious to find out what flavors you picked. Can't wait to see your pictures. Remember to post them on my Facebook page and I'll get to see them. So yummy. So I have chocolate here. So I got a nice dark brown and I will put it right here on top, and it's going to be a smaller scoop. It's going on top of the strawberry. See? Woohoo! This looks yummy. See, it has some curves in the bottom. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Looks just like the ice cream I ate today. All right, you can put that brush to rest. We're going to get now the small brush. I'm gonna add some details. What I'll do is I'm gonna go back to the cone and I'll get some white. And all I wanna do is pretty much, not super white. Let's do like a little yellowish, get white and a little bit of yellow. And a tiny bit of that brown that you may have. Just mix it. And then we're going to make little lines. It's going to be diagonal lines. Okay? Go diagonal one way. So they're all going at an angle. And then you do the same the other way. Diagonal. Adding some texture to my cone. See? Just some details. It makes it look richer. More details. You need to add details to your painting so it looks realistic and it looks a little more three-dimensional. Like it's real. You want to grab the ice cream. Okay, I'm going to clean that up. And what I'll do now, I'm thinking my strawberry ice cream also has, it has some little pieces of strawberry in it. So I'm going to get some red and I'll make some little red dots. Oh, how yummy. Just little red dots on the pink ice cream. And on my chocolate ice cream, I'm actually going to add a cherry. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So still with red. Sorry, you don't have to clean that up. I'm gonna add a cherry. Right here, add a little round red circle for my cherry. Oh my goodness, this is looking wonderful. Clean that up. And I will also, I'm thinking, I remember I got some confetti. So I'm going to get all the colors and on the chocolate ice cream, I'm just gonna add all the colors, blue and red and yellow, and make little lines for confetti. Just to make it a little happy. And let me clean my brush because now I'm going to highlight all the ice cream. So make sure your brush is nice and clean, and you're gonna get some white. Just make little lines, curved lines, just to outline the ice cream a little bit, and then make it stand out. See? Don't like this one. Let me do it again. Okay. And then I'm actually going to highlight the little drop too. There you go. Highlight this. And last but not least, I need to add a little bit of a little black line coming from my cherry. It's a little stem that's coming from my cherry. Yes. Oh, I forgot to highlight my cherry. My cherry needs a little white dot too. Ooh, do you like my ice cream? I can't wait to eat it again. It looked just like this and it was so yummy. I love it. I hope you had fun painting your ice cream. Can't wait to see it. Bye-bye. Thanks for painting with me. I would love to see what you did. So how about you take a picture of your painting and post it on the Spotty Dotty Show Facebook page so I can see it and so you can be entered to win the Stay Creative Art Prize. And at the end of this challenge on August 31st, I will be going live to meet and greet you and to draw the grand prize winner. So see you tomorrow for another painting challenge.